my channel. My name has always been Hertty Kem. I am a makeup artist in real life and also on YouTube. And if you'd like to embark on this journey here on YouTube with me, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to it, hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. Unless you are new on this channel, this has always been my go-to concealer from MAC. Use that as my eyeshadow base. I try to use minimal as much as possible. Then I'll set my whole concealer with the Essence translucent powder. And then I'll be using the Anastasia Morning Renaissance palette. I really love this palette. And then for my crease, I normally like orange, yellowish and all that, like bright colors on my crease. That's what I like personally. But you have to know what really works for you and you do. So I'm going to use regular in the Anastasia Morning Renaissance palette as my transition color. And then I'll be going in with my Cypress Amber from Anastasia Beverly Hills, if you have the palette. And I will dig in the crease with it. Then I'll be using my palette from NYX. I want a very soft crease so I wouldn't cut my crease. I'll just pat it there. As always, I'm going to contour with NYX Correct Conceal and Contour Palette, the darker shade in it. I don't have a clear skin, guys, so I always have to hide my dark spots. And for my foundation, I'm going to use L'Oreal Perfect Match. And guys, like what I always say, you don't have to go in all at once with your foundation. You have to go in step by step so that you can build it up when it's veiny. But when you go in direct with your foundation, it's very difficult for you to blend. And for my concealer, I'll be using Makeup Revolution. I love Makeup Revolution concealer. And my color is C12. That's what I'll be using. And to contour, I'm going to use Perfect Match in a darker shade from L'Oreal. And I love banana powder. That's what I'm going to set my whole concealer with it. And to contour, I'm going to use my NYX Contour and Highlight palette from NYX. And to contour my forehead, I like to use a bigger brush. I don't know why. I notice when I do that, it's beautiful. And to set my makeup, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Fix Powder.